Welcome guys. So if you want to charge your Vivo Wireless Sport Lite earbuds, at first you have to grab this this part without this Vivo marking. So we are talking about this one, and you have to rotate like that. And next to this function buttons you will find this cover, so you have to put your fingernail between these two parts, then remove it. Just make it gently, do not break it, and you will get this USB-C input. So all you have to do, just grab the USB-C cable and then plug it right here, just like that. And once you make it, this indicator will turn to the red, and it means that charging is on the way. And of course the second end of the cable you can plug to the PC, laptop or charging brick, and for sure you have to plug it to the electricity, because sometimes you guys ask us in the comments where to plug the second end of the cable, and I don't know if you are trolling or just don't know that. So yeah, that's how we can make it. And if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.